Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it was passing a while since I didn't post, or since I posted last time, but now my traveling schedule is almost finished for this year due to my job, and now I have time to post another video. So because many of you told me in the comments below of the video, or many friends which are watching my channel told me that I should improve my sound. I have bought this microphone and I want to make an unbox and a review of this. Now I film with the smartphone, which is around 1.5 meter far away from the package and from me, and I will open this, I will connect it to the smartphone to see if it's a better quality. Furthermore, I will proceed by opening the package. This has been ordered here locally in Romania on a website. You can find it also on AliExpress or other sites on the internet, maybe at a lower price, but this was costing under 10 euros, so I think it's worth it. So this is an anti-shock envelope which will protect of heating. This is how it's looking. The name is Boya by BY-M1. Let's open it to see what it's containing. First, it's the microphone, which have a zip tie that you can keep the cable together. This microphone have 5 meter cable. Also, it's available the wireless variant, but being a beginner on YouTube, I said that I shouldn't invest too much, but I should invest in quality of the sound, because all the people in the comment told me this. So this is the cable, 5 meter of cable. Here, if we open it, we should be able to see the batteries, which are not inserted yet. And the microphone. There is also some stickers. This is the warranty card and the instruction manual of the microphone. I don't see the battery available in the box. Maybe here. Okay. So there is another, in this cool vinyl bag where you can store your microphone for traveling. You can find an adapter for more professional tools. The battery, the clip that will connect your microphone to your clothes or whatever you want to put, and a sponge that might be for the wind, to cut the wind effect. And let's put this here all the way down. I will open this and I will insert the battery. Okay. Here it has a button which you can switch it to camera, I think for professional DSLR camera, or for the smartphone, which we're going to use it now. So I don't have to switch it up because I will use it with the smartphone. I'll open the cable. As I said, 5 meter cable. This can be a little bit inconvenient. As I said, there it's also a wireless variant, but I didn't want to invest too much. I think the wireless variant it costs 2-3 times more. I'll insert this in the phone. It's coming the clip. Okay, and now I will put it on my clothes, and should be a difference now. I don't know, I can see, I have to look after on the video, but this is it. The cable can be a little bit inconvenient to have it on you all the time, but it's not something very important for me. As I said, I didn't want to invest too much because I'm at the beginning with YouTube, and hopefully this will improve my quality for my video. I think this is all for this episode. A very cool bag. I'll come to you with a review about time that this microphone is working. Maybe I hope to be durable in time and to use it for a quite longer period of time. This is it for this week, guys, episode. I hope you like it, and I hope it will help you in your activity, as I hope it will help me. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up button, and if you have other comments, please leave it in the comment section below. And yeah, see you next week with a more interesting video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.